Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sticky English with John and Mateo. I'm John, your teacher.
And I'm Mateo, your student, and maybe your friend.
Always, Mateo. Today's lesson is all about small talk, short conversations with people you don't know very well.
Yes, like when you talk to someone on the bus, or in a coffee shop, or in the elevator.
Exactly. It's small, it's friendly, and it's very useful. And today, we'll practice it together.
Cool, let's help our listeners talk to strangers in English.
When you meet someone new, what's the first thing you say, Mateo?
Hello or hi.
Perfect. Let's repeat, everyone. Hello. Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Now, if it's morning, say good morning.
Good morning.
If it's afternoon, say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And at night, good evening.
Good evening.
Good. Now, let's practice a short conversation with a stranger. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks. Nice weather today.
Yes, very nice.
Perfect. That's a friendly small talk. Now, listeners, repeat after us. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice weather today.
Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice weather today.
Excellent. Now, sometimes in small talk, we use numbers. For example, to talk about time, prices, or bus numbers.
Right, like the bus number is 5 or it's 2 o'clock.
Exactly. Let's review numbers from 1 to 10. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Nice. Now let's use them in sentences. My bus is number 2.
My bus is number 3.
I work at 8 o'clock.
I drink 2 cups of coffee.
Perfect. Now let's imagine a short talk on the bus. Excuse me, is this bus number 5?
No, it's bus number 7.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Everyone, repeat with us. Is this bus number 5? No, it's bus number 7. Thank you. You're welcome.
Great job.
Sometimes people talk about days, like see you on Monday. Let's review the days of the week.
Okay.
Repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Perfect. Now a small conversation in a coffee shop. Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. It's Friday, finally.
Yes, the weekend is coming.
I love Saturday and Sunday.
Me too. Now, listeners, repeat these lines with us. It's Friday. The weekend is coming. I love Saturday and Sunday.
It's Friday. The weekend is coming. I love Saturday and Sunday.
Great job. Now, let's talk about objects, things you can see when you talk to someone.
Like a phone, a bag, or a book.
Exactly. Repeat after me, everyone. Phone, bag, book, chair, table, car.
Phone, bag, book, chair, table, car.
Perfect. Now, sometimes people start small talk about objects. Let's try one. Nice phone. Is it new?
Yes, I bought it last week.
It looks great.
Thank you.
Good. Now, another one. That's a big bag.
Yes, I carry everything in it.
I do the same. Now, listeners, your turn. Repeat after us. Nice phone. Is it new? Yes, I bought it last week. It looks great.
Nice phone. Is it new? Yes, I bought it last week. It looks great.
Awesome. Talking about food is always a great way to start a conversation.
Yes, everyone loves to talk about food.
Exactly. Repeat these words, everyone. Coffee, tea, water, juice, sandwich, pizza, cake.
Coffee, tea, water, juice, sandwich, pizza, cake.
Perfect. Now, let's imagine a small talk in a cafe. Hi, what are you drinking?
I'm drinking coffee. And you?
I'm drinking tea. I love tea in the morning.
I love coffee.
Coffee or tea, both are good. Now everyone, repeat. What are you drinking? I'm drinking coffee. I love tea.
What are you drinking? I'm drinking coffee. I love tea.
Good. Let's try another one. About food. That pizza smells so good.
Yes, it's delicious. Do you like pizza?
I love pizza.
Me too.
Okay, now you repeat, listeners. That pizza smells so good. Do you like pizza? I love pizza.
That pizza smells so good. Do you like pizza? I love pizza.
Perfect. Now, sometimes small talk is about daily life, what you do every day.
Yes, people say things like, I go to work or I study English.
Exactly. Let's learn some daily activities. Repeat after me. Wake up. Go to work. Study. Eat. Read. Watch TV. Sleep.
Wake up. Go to work. Study. Eat. Read. Watch TV. Sleep.
Perfect. Now, a small conversation in a park. Hi, do you come here every day?
Yes, I walk here every morning.
That's nice. I walk in the evening.
Cool.
Now, listeners, repeat after us. Do you come here every day? I walk here every morning. I walk in the evening.
Do you come here every day? I walk here every morning. I walk in the evening.
Excellent. Now, let's try another one about studying. Hi, what do you study?
I study English.
That's great. English is fun.
Yes, it is.
Now repeat. What do you study? I study English. English is fun.
Awesome.
Okay, Mateo. Now let's put everything together. We'll do a few short, friendly conversations with strangers.
Let's do it.
Scene 1. At the bus stop. Good morning.
Good morning.
Is this bus number 4?
No, it's bus number 3.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Scene 2. In a cafe. Hi there. What are you drinking?
I'm drinking juice.
Nice. I'm drinking coffee.
Coffee is great.
Yes, it is. Scene 3. In a park. Hello. Nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I walk here every morning.
Cool. I love morning walks. Scene 4. In a store. Hi, that's a nice bag.
Thank you. I like the color.
It's very cool.
Thanks.
See, everyone? Small talk is simple and friendly.
Yes, and it makes people smile.
Exactly. Now, let's review everything. Let's remember what we learned today.
We learned greetings. Hello, hi, good morning, good evening.
We practiced numbers, 1 to 10.
We learned days of the week, Monday to Sunday.
We talked about objects, phone, bag, book, chair. We practiced food and drinks, coffee, tea, pizza, cake, and daily activities, wake up, study, walk, sleep.
And of course, we practiced small talk, friendly, short conversations.
Exactly. Now, dear listener, repeat after us one last time. Hello. How are you? Nice day today. See you tomorrow.
Hello. How are you? Nice day today. See you tomorrow.
Beautiful.
Good job, everyone.
Yes, remember, small talk is simple but powerful. Just smile, say hello, and speak with confidence.
You can do it.
See you next time on Easy English with John and Mateo.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.